Hi everyone, it's Java Walker World. We're back again. You heard of the Mercer report? This is the Java Walker report. This pandemic is really starting to drive me crazy. I don't know what's going on. People wearing masks, people not wearing masks, people getting vaccinated, people not getting vaccinated, people wearing underwear, other people not wearing underwear. Oh my God, I don't know if it's the coffee that's making me talk too much or what. So we're gonna have to ease up on the Java, but we're gonna keep on walking, try and get some fresh air. So follow us. It's not the Mercer report, it's the Java Walker report.
We are Frank and Fern with Java Walker World. Join us on our journey to quench our thirst for the simple pleasure of a good coffee and explore our magnificent world one step at a time.
It is New Year's Day. Everything pretty much is closed. We managed to get a coffee and right now we're still being able to have a coffee indoors. That's going to change. We bring in our Lysol wipes and hope for the best. And anyway, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to go for a little walk. Walk with us.
So here we are at the world's largest skating rink. It's actually the Rideau Canal here in Ottawa. It is still closed, not ready to go yet. So a lot of prepping still going on, but it is still scheduled to have Winterfest here in February, but that remains to be seen with all this stuff going on.
Yeah,
so
I think they'll do the same as last year where they just reduce the numbers of people in groups walking around and skating around, and they'll just do that. They had everything opened last year, and I think they will as well. We've had a lot of thaw and cold,
mild weather, so we need that cold snap to get it going.
We need a serious cold snap for this Rideau Canal to freeze over.
But stay with us. We're going to get some other shots of the canal so you can actually see maybe how long it is and yeah, all the prep work and all the huts that they put on the canal. They put on these huts where you can actually change your skates in warmth.
And washrooms.
So you don't have to get off the canal. You don't need skates to get on the canal. You can walk it with your boots.
With your boots,
yeah.
And
Beaver Tail huts, hot chocolate huts. And by Beaver Tails, I mean
Beaver Tail is a pastry.
Don't get the wrong idea.
We don't eat Beaver Tails, but it's a pastry with cinnamon and sugar, or you can put lemon, and
they're tasty. They're definitely
really tasty.
But yeah, stay with us, and we'll give you some shots of the canal from above and along it.
Oh, and let us know if you like this type of footage that we're doing and this type of information.
Yeah, we're getting a little limit with these lockdowns and that kind of stuff. So
we're trying to think outside the box. Let us know if you like it.
The wheels are turning.
Okay. So this is the 5th entrance to the Rideau Canal when it freezes over. You can see that there are washrooms or toilets or WCs as some people call them, and they will be food and beverage stations like that. And this whole area is all of the Rideau Canal. It's the largest skating rink in the world. It's a lot of fun. So here is the marker at the 5th entrance. It's 3.2 kilometers of skating all the way down to the Parliament Hill. Pretty cool.
It still goes further.
Yeah, very cool. And it's actually very pretty. You can see there's a bridge in the background. So we're gonna take a walk along that bridge, and you can see what we see from the bridge and the Rideau Canal as it's frozen over.
So here we have behind us a very nice restaurant. It's called the Canal Ritz, and right off the canal here. Great in the spring, summer, and even, well, it's closed now in the winter, but it's right off the canal. Sadly,
I think it's just closed because of COVID and the uptick on the numbers. But it will be opened as the numbers get better with COVID and this new strain that's happening right now. But it is a little bit of a pricey restaurant, but very fancy and nice.
You feel like you're in a chalet in there because they have 2 stories to it. So when it's cold outside and you're having inside, just like Dean Martin.
For us, it's a special occasion type of restaurant.
Yeah, oh no, definitely.
Thanks for joining us. This is a really cute sign. Well, here are some real true Canadian kids trying to play hockey. The pond, they're having a good time. The pond is thawing out a little bit. It's a little bit too warm for them to be on there. But I think if they do drop through, it'll only be like 6 inches. This is what you call Central Park. And this is the sort of thing we like to entertain ourselves. Snowballs hitting up against a tree. It's a lot of fun. I don't know if you can see, but there are kids tobogganing there. They're trying to. Let's see if I can get a better shot for you. Walk is done for today, for the first day in January.
January 1. So I think it was, there were some revelers out last night, I'm sure. Here's a picture, I think that'll prove the point for me. So stay along, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, it'd be much appreciated.